سڵاو ڕێز و خۆشەویستیم هاوڕێیانی خۆشەویستم بەخێر بێن بۆ ئەڵلقەی سێمی زنجیرە یاری سایبەرپانک 2077 زۆر سپاسی پشتگیری ڤیدیۆیەکانی ڕابردوو دەکەم هیوادارم تام و چێژ لە یاریەکە وەرگن زۆربەتان دەڵێنژی دیمەنەکان ببڕە هەندێک دەڵێن بڵەری بکەن دەڵێن مەی بڕە هەوڵ دەدەم کورتیان کەمەوە دیمەنە ڕوتەکان یاخۆت بیان بڕم یان بڵەریان بکەم بێگومان بەجووتان دەکەم نامێت دڵی کەس دەخۆم بێشێنم چاویەکە بێکەتان ماز دەکەم باوەڕکردنی و یاریە بۆ شێوازە لە بەخاتنی وێ ئەگەر نامن هەموو یەو پارتەکان بێگومان لە بۆ خۆم بێ هەو پارتەکانە سێک دەکەم 24 ساعتە ڕێک دەیکەم تاوەکو تاوای دەکەم بەڵام بۆ ئێوە خۆشەویست پارت دەبەرخاتی ئەوە بە سەبری دەیەکەم خۆشەویستانی بەڕێزم بۆ دەستکەوتنی هەر یاریەک دەتوانن سەردانی دارین گەیم بکەن هەر بابەتێکی ڤیدیۆ گەیم دەسەردانی دارین گەیم بکەن لە سنێمانی و لە هەولێر لەقیان هەیە لە دیسکریپشن تاوی زانیاریەکانی لای دارین گەیم داناوە توانن پەیوەندیان پێ بکەن بە ناوی ژیر دیسکاونتان لە بۆ دەکەن خۆشەویستانە پارت 1 و 2 مڵاو کردەوە لە پلەلیستی سایبەرپانک دەتوانن بینەری بن ئێستاش با بێنە سەر پارتی سێیەم بزانین لەو پارتەی تووش دەبین ئەوش کاراکتەرەکەمانە کاکڤی لە ئەچ ڕابردوو ئەرکێکمان وەرگرتیە کەوا دەی بچینە ناوی لیزی باڕە دەچینە باڕەشی ناوی لیزیە دەبێت لە مابینی ساعت 6 بەیانی بگەینێندەر ئێستا 6 ئێوارە بەسەرەوەیە دەتوانین بگەین بەوێندەر ئەوە لیزی بار سیارەکەمان بە جوانی بار ڕابگرین ئەکیدم ئێرەشتی قۆڕی زۆر تێدا دەبی ئاوڕێیان داوای لێبردن دەکەم ئەگە شتەکانم زۆر بڵەر کرد دەبێ بچمە ژوورێت کایە ئیشەکەم هەیە لە ژۆرێ نابی کامیرەی تەسویرکەی نابی هەشی شۆشتانە بەکاربینی مادەوەش بەر Okay.
I really look that green to you. Like I don't know.
Doors open.
Have fun, input.
Welcome to Lizzie's.
My, what a sweet little face you have.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, barra. Sit at the bar and ask about Aylin. دەبێ پرسیار دەبارەی ئەیلەنی بکەم لۆشتی قۆڕناتی مێرە کاتەکەم نامێ نەزەری بکەم ئەو کچە لە ترۆلێرەکان نییە نایچە ناوەکەی دیار نێجارە لە دوو ئەیلنی دەگەڕێم ئەڤڵن چێ دەپرسی ناوم ڤیە دەرمەوعیدێکمان هێرس مەوعیدمان نییە بەڵام دڵی مەوعیدێکمان ناو مەتەیۆیە مەتەیۆ ئەڤڵن دەچوێ هەلو Oh, Evelina?
I knew it was you as soon as you walked in.
Why did you come over soon? Drink tequila of choice. Tequila. Tequila de خوينا بحساب.
Sense on? Only tequila I drink. How do you know?
I like to know everything about the people I work with. Either that or it was just a lucky guess.
Why meet here? Let's talk shop. The contract.
Why are we meeting here? Any particular reason?
Let's have a little activity.
Actually, it doesn't seem much like your thing. This place.
باورناك عم زي توبي.
I'll take that as a compliment.
جرافيتي عليكي واو.
No,
رنج.
we can talk where ears won't prick up to listen.
رتنا زي شخصي بكين كواكس جيل مان لينا بي. زين نازم تاس بخش من تيجي شكل لك نوكتي هي. تەنیا ئەوە وەی گۆبزم جاکی وەی گەوتی بڕ لای کسەچی لە باڕەچی ئەڤڵن ئینتەر دە VIP room دێت دانیشین ئەو چه عاردی بکەین جگاش دەچێشی هاتو ئەڤڵن
Dex had a load to say about you.
داکس ئەمەی ناردیە وایە ڕەش پێستەکە
Effective.
گوتی بڕۆ لایوی ئیشەکت ئیشەکت لە بۆ دروست دەکە. I'm the best, don't know him, haven't worked together, let's just get to the case, I'm the best. You don't care what Dax thinks, I'm the best.
I'm good at what I do.
V?
Got a solid crew on my back too. Never once botched a job.
ئەمە زۆر باشم.
You do
هەر ئیشەکت بە منە لە
realize
خزمەت
more
دایمە.
of you than scraping street corner data terms. Much more.
I'm the best. And I know what I'm getting into. Dex was clear. The job's high risk.
By the way, you work together long? You and Dex?
What? Writing Jackson. Come
Let's
on.
talk biz. I mean, it's nice, but I didn't come here to get my ego stroked.
No. You're here to gain some knowledge. The life-changing kind.
Well, now you got me all excited.
Your target. I trust you know what it is.
Relic. Secure your soul trinket. Key tech in the program, actually. We're tangling with Arasaka, making this heist one dangerous, risky motherfucker.
بالضبط هەر هەمان ئەرکە دەبی
Arasaka's poured
بچینە
billions into personality
ناو
transfer technology. But me, I just want the
باڵەخانەی
data.
ئەوەی
The chip is
تارساکەیە
tucked
چییە؟
away inside Compeki
لەوێت چیپەچی
Plaza,
بتزین
the hotel.
شتێکی تەکنۆلۆژیا
You ever
بتزین.
been?
Nope, out of my price range, never had the opportunity.
You know, just never rolled through that neighborhood.
Damn shame. The fresh they serve is sinfully good. Chef must have made a deal with the devil.
So where's this chip hiding exactly?
In a suite on the top floor. The room's occupied by Yorinobu Arasaka.
Yorinobu Arasaka? He's in town?
Don't you read the scream sheets?
Arasaka دەرێ لە ناوش لەمەتی خۆشە.
It was all over the headlines.
خاوەنی من ئەوەیە
Anyway, he's heir
کۆمپانیایەکی
apparent to the Arasaka Empire.
Arasaka.
Saburo Arasaka's only surviving son.
What? So Arasaka Jr.'s planning to grab the reins while in Night City?
Only a handful of people in Night City know what the Arasaka's real plans are.
Telling me you're one of them? Look, if you've got any spare aces up your sleeve, now's the time to show them.
Now this should make your prick.
دەڵێ پێمان بڵێ ئاراساکەت
Yorinobu
چیان دەوێ
recently
خەریک
sold
چنە ئاراساکە کە بە تەمایە ئەم لێوێشتەشی بتزین.
He's made a deal with Netwatch. Aims to sell it to them. Have you spotted my ace yet, or do I need to spell things out?
Fine. So no Arasaka security on the device because Yorinobu whisked it away in secret. Now, where's he hiding it?
بە چێ شاریتیەوە جیازێ مە
Likely
لەجی
in a
دەکەڕێن.
specialized container.
من
One
ئەو
that
جێیش تایبەتە
mimics an organic neural environment. On the outside, it looks like an ordinary briefcase.
And the case is...
لە ناو جانتایەشیە جانتایەکی
You'll see for
تایبەت
yourself soon enough. Provided we're done gossiping about the Arasakas.
Okay, what's next?
Now comes the best part. Follow me. Got something for you. Should help you plan. Brain dance from Compeki Plaza.
How's a brain dance supposed to help? Need facts, not thrills.
Think BDs are only good for fondling virtual tits? Jacking off to in those boxes?
Of course.
No.
You can
It
count
can be
on
a
me,
very
babe.
useful tool.
Like anything else?
Good for analyzing details
No,
human
no, don't
perception,
spank
even
me.
boosted, doesn't grasp. Exactly what you need.
So what's on the tape?
Yorinobu's suite. The glorious interior. You'll need to locate the relic yourself. Hope I grabbed enough detail to make that possible.
Hold up. Mean to say you recorded this?
Mm-hmm. BD Rec implant. Why, you object?
Supposed to be Yorinobu's pad on the tape. Means you were inside. You know each other?
How else could I get all this intel? I know him pretty well, actually.
ناو چاوی ئەو کچەی جیاز ڕکۆردکردن هەیە شتێکی بین ڕکۆردی دەکا.
Suits us both, I think.
Let's see this brain dance.
Judy'll help. She's a mox, too. Besides, we go back, years. V, this is important. Judy's always been there for me. Always helped out. I trust her. But she's a mox,
No,
not the
don't
latest member
cry.
of your
You
crew.
got this, doll.
Try not to forget. So, you'll be a good boy. Tread lightly and keep that tongue on a leash.
Relax. Believe it or not, I'm no stranger to tact. In biz or life.
Out here. Judy.
Hey, there you are.
This is V. He's here for that BD role. And V, this is Judy. Best brain dance editor I know.
Enough already.
Brain dance. Hey Judy.
Hey, Judy.
Judy's قشطة ها.
What do you think? Will it do?
Still pretty raw, but yeah, ought to do.
Mm-hmm. V needs to get deep inside. That's most important.
So, let's calibrate. Tune it to him.
ڕووداوە ڕوویدا نازانین کە ڕوویدا دەبی بچین تەماشا بکەینەوە بێتتر برین دەنس ئەو تەکنۆلۆژیایە جوودی یارمەتیمانەدا لە بۆی
See the jig street porn we gotta contend with sometimes.
ئۆکەی وەدەکە چاومان ڕێکۆرد بکەم
Let him look, let him rummage around, right?
How about it, V? Raw brain dance. Ever taken a dip before?
Think I can handle it. Let's just do this.
Righto. Sit down, settle in, and we'll get you going.
زانیتمانێ دەکەم جوودی
Gotta create your sensory profile first.
Okay. Hit me. Just promise me it won't hurt.
It won't. Not this time. Now sit still, look at me. Gonna run the analysis soft. Should feel a slight tingling.
Mm-hmm.
دروبەری چون زۆر ناشینا ڕێن
Look here at me. Won't take long. Okay, now let's set the optics and other sensory sigs. Look smack into these two screens. Pretend it's an eye exam.
Am I gonna have to do this calibration dance every time?
Not necessarily, but it's worth the wait. Give me 2 more minutes and you'll see exactly what BD analysis is capable of. 1 more sec. Need to get the pain receptor limiters in. Okay. All set. I need to test your profile first. Tossing in a sample BD. You can use it to get to know the editor. Now let me see. Where could we...
Can't he just use my recording? Why are we wasting time?
So we don't risk our necks? Besides, won't take a sec. Got something here. Should be perfect.
Boot it up.
Mm-hmm. Let me give you the tailored version first.
Come on,
Get your
Judy.
bearings.
بارەس پێکەین
Jump into editing mode. Be diving in 3,
2 1 Uh-oh چێوە چوین لۆد سکرین بێگومان لۆد سکرین of course لۆد سکرین
Plan simple. Do nothing odd. Don't get creative. You go in, snatch the cash, get out. And
Brain
we
dance
simply
editor?
begin to go
ئەوە من
psychopaths
نیمە
from the studio.
چمە ناو میمۆریەکەچی I think وابزانم
Remember, everything on full blast.
ئەها تایملاینی هەیە
Smart
لەسەرێ
extra for a wicked adrenaline high. Okay, on you go. Down, everybody, on the ground. I want to see you kissing the flooring. Money, now.
ئەمە ناو گەمەی ناکەم بەخۆی دەیکە
Swear to God.
وچی ڤیدیۆیەکێ پلەی بووە
Now, before I blow your fucking head off.
گولەی پێکات جا بزانم دەی بزانین چ لی دەیە چی وایە پێشتر فرێدە شوام دیدبوو
You're alive and well.
That was too much.
هەستمان بە هەر هەمووی کرد
I could feel the guy's pain, his stress, his hope. Hope wrapped up in something else.
Mm-hmm. Probably took a booster just before. You'll be fine. Got everything set up? Let's switch over to editing mode.
editing یعنی دەستکاریشی میمۆریەکەش دەکەین
I'll sever the link to the BD roller's sensory array. You'll be able to look around freely. Whole scene's yours. Full cam control in analysis mode, so move around, zoom in and out, whatever else you come up with. Think of it as your own little sandbox. So analysis mode, you control playback. Can even pause when you feel the need.
اوکی دەتوانین
Use the editor
Plan
console
simple.
to
Do nothing
unpause.
odd.
Try
Don't
it.
get creative. You go in, snatch the cash, get out. And we sell the BD to those psycho freaks from the studio.
Got it.
Dream as hell, right? Well, that's not all. You can speed things up or rewind, whatever you like. Give it a try. Rewind. Roll it back to the top. All good. Neat. Now try fast forwarding a bit.
Plan simple. Do nothing odd. Don't get creative. You go in, snatch cash, get out. And we sell the BD to those psycho freaks from the studio.
Okay. You can also reset the recording. That'll take you right back to the beginning. Try it. Now for some
ئەوش دووبارەکردنەوەی
Here's what you do
ڤیدیۆیەکەی
in the first place. In analysis mode, you get to view and even scan details of the enviro recorded by the BD roller. Focus on the heat. The
Plan
gun
simple.
this gonk gets from his buddy at the beginning.
Nothing odd. Don't get
Now scan.
creative. You go in, snatch the cash, get out. And we sell the BD to those psycho freaks from the studio. And everything on full blast. They'll spot us extra for a wicked adrenaline high. Okay, on you go.
Okay, right here. Excellent.
دەمانچەکە ڕقەمی دەمانچەکەی دەزانم
In analysis mode, you can ferret out background noise and conversations if the roller got close enough. This tech records everything, every little detail, even the sights and sounds the roller was never aware of. To see the sources of the recorded sensory signals, switch to the audio layer in the editor. Go ahead and try that now. Okay, good. Now you should see several sound signatures in the store. Choose one and hone in on it.
سکانی ئەو دەنگەی دەکەین
Fuck! On you go! Little shitheads! Go restock. I'll take the register. How about you suck a bag of dicks, eh?
So, any thoughts?
Unbelievable. Seriously, like it was happening right next to me.
Yeah, it's how BD recording implants work. They pick up everything, all the elements in the background. Then an editor tweaks them, makes them pop. Keep playing with the sound, explore it a bit. We'll move on when you get bored.
Go restock. I'll take the register. How about you suck a bag of dicks, eh?
We have a deal today on 2 flavors. Curry and surf and everybody! On the ground! You wanna... See you kissing the flooring! Money! Now, or I will fucking drop you, I swear to God!
سەدەبی ئەوەی بینەوە کە لەمەی دەیە
Oh, yeah, hey! Now, blow your fucking head off!
چێ لەمەیدا گولەکمان پێکەدەوە
Sometimes you can analyze extra layers in the raw, stuff the roller's cyberware picked up.
Like what?
Ev's got Kuroshi optics that grab infrared, meaning you should be able to grab heat signatures from her recording.
Hella nice.
Now let's wait till the guy punches out the gonk at the counter.
ئەو تێ
scanning works on peeps too. Walk up to the wounded chick.
أول لما إذا
Alright, next thing. Scroll forward to the part where our artist gets a lead injection. See that? They shot him and he never saw it coming. But you will. Here it comes.
أو نيدي بلا ما يبينين
Game.
بتشيل بشتولي
See
ده
the blinking thing over the entrance? Surveillance cam. Must have caught our shooter. You'll see in a sec. Cam feeds to the screen behind the clerk.
أها
Roll back to where the screen's in the kid's field of vision, then scan it. His own chumba shot him. Probably planned to all along. Must have got a
جيت
nice
معنا
piece of
وتشيل ما
black
يدا
market
تشيلو
for a BD like this.
زي ده
BD freaks are ready to pay a preem for a real flatline. Anyway, if you've seen enough, you can exit.
سترن زاکێشە دۆزینەوەی تاوانبار بەو جۆرە ستایڵی بەڵام تۆزێک دوور درێژە ینی ئەچەندەوە فێرکاری بوو ئەو جارەچکە بە خۆمان دەی بیکەین دەزانم چۆن بیکەم تاشکە ناوم لە بنێرە من بڕە
Yeah, it's impressive, right? It's too bad most of the BDs we do here are only good for flogging the log. Anyway, you ready to do this? Look at your rec?
Dunno, Let's take a break. Still feel like that kid when... Oh, yeah. I think I'm...
ماندی بووین چونکە
There's no time.
Alright, V, eyes open. Gotta find out where Yorinobu's keeping the relic.
ئۆکەی
You look like a cut of fuckable meat. Are you?
Evelyn, she... I felt her fear. Sure got it under control quick, too.
ئاها حەز دەکەمەوە زارێ ئەوزام ئەمە چینە میمۆری ڤیژ نییە یەکە چکەیە
I said no. They'll have my head for this. Then you shall perish for a good cause.
دەبێت لێرە ئەوەرە ناو باڵەخانەی ئاراساکینە
In a minute.
Listen in on that conversation, V. Could be something important.
ئۆکەی
Finish.
We shall see soon enough.
ناو لێکوانە دەبی ئەوەکەی بدۆزینەوە ڕێڵەکەکە
My father's a tired, visionless old graybeard who thinks nothing will change and he'll live forever in his tiny, frozen bubble. We'll listen to this. Sabro is an adult despot.
Wow, champagne's
utterly
decent.
removed from reality.
Taste boosted somehow?
ڤی هەستش بە چامپانیەکەش دەکەم
Of a world
Same bubbly you'll be
that no
sipping in
longer
real space
exists.
soon.
Of a world that may never have existed. We have not seen eye to eye for the past 20 years. I am quite sure we want now. Noted.
Hung up. Go back to when they first start talking. Need to hear the whole thing.
Run.
All right? You seem tense. Edgy.
A moment. It will pass.
I can get to work on that. Just one condition.
You wish to make demands of me.
Only one. Focus on me. Oh, got any candy left? Stuff was pretty fun last time.
Bedroom, nightstand.
I've got an idea. Be right back.
Very nice. But come here already.
Just a sec. Looking for the perfect thing. Ah, you'll like this.
What love is until you've learned the meaning of
Manual details a special temp-controlled container. Relic needs to be kept real cool.
So, chips gotta stay in the freezer.
Yep, could damage it otherwise.
Okay.
Switch on thermal layer detection in the editor. Should be easier to spot where Yorinobu's keeping the chip. Right, grab the heat sig. Matches the spec in the docs.
Yorinobu's got the case here, guaranteed.
Mm-hmm, you got it. Good work. Looks like we got everything we need. Quit out of the editor.
دۆزیمانەوە لەناو ئەو سندوقەیە ئەو ژێرزەمینە چیە لەناو ژوورەکەی داینەیە دەبچینەوێن دەر کاتەکە ئەرکەکەی دەکەین دەبچینەوە شوێنەی بیدۆزینەوە. Thanks, Judy. Where are you?
Thanks, Judy. Really. And don't worry.
Pass, Judy.
I know what I'm doing. So, what now?
Start playing.
V. Do this job for me. I mean me alone. No splitting the payout with anyone else. No middlemen. No decks.
I'll think no way Dex trust me, you know.
No fucking way. Dex took a leap with me. He trusts me.
Now I'm doing the same. 50%. With cred like that in your account, you won't need Dex for anything.
I'm not about to fuck the over. I think about it.
Think about it.
If you need me, call. I'll send you my number.
Okay.
Thank you, Evelyn. معلوماتمان زۆر بەدەست کاتێکەوە ئەو چیپەی Dex دەیەوێ ڕۆژپێستەکە لە کوێن دەرە. Leave Judy workshop. Okay, بچینە دەرێ.
How things looking, Mr. V?
No.
4 a.m. last night.
Turns out Evelyn's recording from Compaki was worth our time.
She's rattling on about the bank stuff, yada, yada, yada.
Beautiful. T-Bug already called. Said she's working her magic.
We're all set. Ready to go. What now?
Now we do the job I hired you to do. Grabbing that biochip. We'll talk about the rest at the afterlife. See you there.
Great. Be there in no time.
See you, Mr. V.
Little face you have.
ئێستا بچینە head to afterlife. چینە ناو چێکی نایات. Sorry. جوانە. دەبی لێرانەبی هەڵا و جاکی چ لەگە داچی دەکە حەز دەکەم زۆر داچ ترسێ How's Mama's Wales?
What's new with Senora Wells?
You know, she's worried about me. Whatever. Can't help herself, you know? Checking to see if I'm not rotting in some dumpster, like most of the Wells boys. It's really starting to wear on me. The more I tell her everything's okay, the more I feel like I'm straight up lying. But that's done after tomorrow. Afterlife.
We have arrived. The major leagues.
Does not get any higher, chum. And you know something else? We fucking earned it, mano. Ready to get your cherry popped? Yeah, come on! Place used to be a morgue. Believe that?
Really, Jackie?
What?
Told you that myself.
Oh, for reals? Ah, shit. That must have been ages ago.
And who might you clowns be?
We're friends of Dexter Dashon. He's expecting us.
Yo, Dex. Got two live ones saying they're here to see you. Yeah? Alright then. Says he needs a second or two. Go get yourselves drinks or something.
ئەوە باڕی دێکسێ sit next to Jackie.
Night City. Right there. Beating. Hear it? Can you imagine? Susan Forrest, Boa Boa, maybe even Morgan Blackhand.
Looks like we're up.
Hey, you see that old lady there? That's Rogue. Best fixer in all of Night City.
Thought Dex was the best.
Rogue was lining up jobs when Dex was still shitting in diapers. Place belongs to her.
What can I get you?
You order.
2 tequila old fashions with a splash of cerveza and a chili garnish.
Duo of Johnny Silverhands coming up.
Right on, chica.
Johnny Silverhand?
Somebody did their homework.
Looks like the dog ate mine.
Age-old tradition. Drinks are named after our regulars.
Say I wanted a drink named after me. What would I have to do?
Snuff it. Mind-blowingly spectacular fashion. It ought to be best.
What a beautiful tradition.
ئەو خواردنەوەی داوامان کردیان بە ناوی Drink to Nice City, Drink to Filthy Rich.
Tonight City.
And the afterlife. Ha ha!
Guess dying's a small price to pay for going down in history.
I live like a legend first, though, huh? Death.
زۆر خۆش بووین.
It's nothing but the final flourish. Oh, and by the way, name's Jackie Wells. You want to write down my recipe?
Sure.
Shot of vodka on the rocks, lime juice, ginger beer. Oh, and most importantly, a splash of love.
Haha! I'll remember that. Heard you were Dex's latest finds.
Just biz, no big deal.
Mr. Dashon,
Dex a regular? You come here a lot?
A sort of long hiatus, matter of fact.
Tomcat's gotta walk his own path, right? Guess they weren't.
Break a leg.
Thanks. How do you know?
My job? No.
This way.
Look around. How do you think mercs earn their reps? Through gossip rivaling that of schoolgirls, that's how.
Damn, Holmes. You're huge. Work out? Same here. No, in the ring. You do some kind of exotic shit? Huh? Kempo? Ninjutsu? Think you could take me? Drop me?
In here.
Este pinche tipo.
بسم الله كاك ديكسي.
That's right, Excelsior. Cold hard eddies as per usual. Gotta bounce.
اكسلسير
Well, if
أو
it ain't
ستانلي
Mr. V,
أو مرت.
Whole family in one place.
كاك ديكستر.
First time in real space.
and the flathead.
Let's see this bad boy.
Hello? Alright then. Set your butts down comfy.
Thanks for your help back at the scav haunt.
A few Reapers less in the city. Good thing.
City Hall should be fucking thanking us. Sweet booth. It's soundproof?
Jackie.
Now, Mr. Wells is right. We're gonna be going over some sensitive material. But if it's all right with y'all, I'd like to start with a question for Mr. V. Evelyn Parker, how'd you fare?
Well as I could have, I guess.
داري ايفلين شون بو
Rebecca
بلاتو.
Plaza inside from that raw BD she scrolled.
Bug already filled me in.
So you know the target. Yorinobu Arasaka, the Emperor's son and heir apparent.
Man with the millionaire name and no talent to back it up.
دبسين دزي يغلى لكوري باشاي بكين.
So she
باشاي
just want to see what's good.
باشا أراساكي
Was there
كل
something
الدولة ما
else?
ننزل. That's it. Let's go over the plan here. Parker thinks we don't need you.
I think she just wanted to see what I was about.
Wanted to see what you was about, huh?
How about we go over the plan? What you got for us, Dex?
This.
Well,
No plan here.
nothing.
Me and Dex have already covered the fine deeds. Ops-wise, should be a stroll on the beach.
Elaborate. I want to hear it.
A Delamain will drop your asses at the front door of Konpeki Plaza. You'll stroll right in thanks to your false identities. Then, with Bug's help, you'll breach the hotel subnet.
Mine and the Flathead's help.
Last but not least, you slip into Yorinobu's penthouse and klepto
No تزيك هذا بسنيرة.
Goes without saying, we do this on the hush. Ideally, no bodies. Not a one.
You'll have T-Bug on comms for the duration.
نبي يكسب بكوجين.
Time for your burning question.
يعني نبي قاري بكين. قاعد no question no square.
Clear to me.
Brian.
I got a question. When do we get to the real reason we're all here?
Cut for fresh talent's always the same and non-negotiable. 30%.
Bro, 30?
Every part in this drama carries its risks. That's the value of yours, as determined by me.
عيبين
Jack, it's fine. Don't push it.
You for real?
Drop it, I said. Cut's fair. Trust me.
Fine. Whatever. Fuck it.
Last thing, Konpeki's got a strict no-iron policy. Security gates, the works. So you dogs will leave your lead spitters in the ride. Take the flathead inside in its case.
Got some deft suits, so you'll look the part too.
Chido.
Thanks, T.
So, not to count chickens, but why don't we see our eddies?
All depends how Miss Parker avails herself of her role. But a week, 2 tops is my guess.
What do we do while waiting? Sit around, suck air?
You sit tight, heads down, cause old Uncle... Now, as that old Greek dog says, life's a banquet. You're cherry.
My cue to Delta 2. Any other issues? Now's your chance.
I'm good.
Let's get to work.
Bad speaking. Come on.
So you ready to get going or what?
Let's go.
Let's roll. No point in waiting.
In getting rich, you mean?
خۆشەویستانم هاتمە کۆتایی ئەو پارتەش و لە پارتی سێیەم ئەومان بۆ بە دیار کەوت دەستڕۆکەتان باز دەکەم بەزم چڕ ڕوویدا چکە نامێنە ناو ڤیدیۆکە زۆر قسە بکەم دەمێ شتەکان وەکو خۆی بین دواتر هەندێک کۆمنت دەسە دەدەم ئەوەی کە ڕوویدا ئەوە بوو کەوا ئەمە لە بیدایەت یاریەکەی کاتە کە دێکس بەمەی وتوتی ئەمە لە دوو پارچە شتەش تەکنۆلۆژی دەگەڕێم لەناو باڵەخانەی ئاراساگی هەیە بەڵام دەستم پێی ناگە دەبێت و چیلۆمە دۆزیەوە چۆنەتی دۆزینەوەش وی لەگەڵ جاکی هاوڕێی پێکەوە ڕێگەی چەند خەڵکەچی بۆ منە جوودی و ئەڤڵن و ئەوانە توانیمان لە ڕێگەی جۆرە تەکنۆلۆژیایەکەوە میمۆری خەڵکی دەردەینی دەتوانی لەناو میمۆری شتی کە بدۆزیەوە وەکو ڤیددیویەکی ڕیکۆردینگە لە ڕێگەی ڕیکۆردینگەی نەفرەکی دیکە کە چوتە ناو باڵەخانەی ئاراساکی توانیمان ئێستا بیدۆزینەوە ئەوەکە بدۆزینەوە ئەو شتە نهێنیەکەوە دێکس لە دویتینە ناو باڵەخانەی ئاراساکی ئێستا پلانەکەمان ئامادەیە لە پارتی چارەم بێگومان دەچین پلانەکە جێبەجێ دەکەین و ئینشاڵڵا دەتوانین شتەکەش بتزێن کە دێکس دەیەوێت بۆ پارەژوەر دەگەین بۆ پارێشتوانی کارکتەکەمان پێ باشتر بکەین نوشتانە ڕێز خۆشەویست قوڵکەن ڵاچە ڤیدیۆ لە بینەکەن تاوەکو ڤیدیۆ داات و هەر سەیری ڤیدیۆکانی دیکەم بکەن دەستن جێگە خۆشم دەوێن